How to create a Google Ads account. Guys, it's very simple. Open your Chrome, then type Google Ads. Now click on this first link, create your Google Ads account. Now click on start now. Now log in with your Gmail ID from which you want to create the account. I select this and type your Gmail password here. I'll just type my password. Click on next. Then type your phone number and email. Click on not now. So yeah, your Google account is created. So yes, you can read this. Start your first campaign. You can now create your ads for your business. So guys, that's how you create a Google Ads account. Thank you.